if you had to describe each other's aura, what color would it be?
That's a nice question. An aura.
Yellow.
For me?
Sunshine. Yeah.
Ah, thank you.
And like also
I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo. Let's get it on. Ah, baby. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar.
I fucking own you. You're mine now. You ain't going no fucking where. I'm about to be your last girlfriend. I'm about to be your only girlfriend. I'm about to be your wife. You're mine.